Use logarithms to write y equals ax to the b in the form y equals cx plus d. So let's start with y is equal to ax to the b. Now I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln y is equal to ln ax to the b. Now we have a log law that says that log of ab is log a plus log b. It's usually stated with this part on the left, but it's the same law. And here we have a times x to the b, so I can use it to split this apart like this, and we get ln a plus ln x to the b. And then there's a log law that says that log a to the n is equal to n log a. In other words, the power here can slip down in front. We can do that with the b here. So ln y is ln a plus b ln x. And this is of the right form. This is y is equal to d plus cx, and we can see that the y-intercept of that would be at 0d, and the gradient would be the c here. So if we were plotting this graph and our equation was in the right form, we would put ln x on this axis, ln y, since that's the y of this equation, on this axis, and then provided, as I say, this was in the right form, we would get a straight line where the intercept here would be the value of d. That would actually be ln a, and then we could find out the actual value, and the gradient would be the b here.